and welcome to another Fun Friday with Melanie at Moore Farms Botanical Garden. With this chilly air coming in, a lot of animals are storing up food for the winter or already heading into hibernation, and so the birds that you still see outside might be looking for some more food. So one of those ways that we can help provide food for the birds is with a bird feeder, and I'm going to show you how to make one today out of a pine cone, peanut butter, and bird seed. So the materials you will need are a pine cone, some yarn or string, peanut butter, bird seed, a small baking dish or pan, a spatula, or butter knife. So you're going to first choose your pine cone. The pine cone I have chosen is a bit smaller and is still a little more closed, so it's easier to spread the peanut butter on it. And I tied my string around the pine cone on the end here. So I'm going to hold it by the string, or probably by the pine cone too, to help stabilize. And I'm going to start to use a spatula to spread peanut butter on the pine cone. This part can get a bit messy. A good layer of peanut butter on your pine cone, you can put the bird seed on it. You can do this by holding the pine cone over a pan. Should have thought this through. And taking the bird seed and sprinkling it on the pine cone. Or you can pour the bird seed in the pan little layer and roll the pine cone in the bird seed. Oh yeah, I think I like this method more. Okay, I would tap off or shake any excess, and you're finished. You have your bird feeder. So you can now go place this outside, any place in your yard where you notice a lot of birds, or use it to attract some birds to a part of your yard, and watch the visitors that come eat the bird seed.